Namaskar. Very often, the condition of your general health and the condition of hair, they are all dependent on each other. And it depends on how you handle these things. Some types of hair cannot tolerate harsh chemical hair products. To provide your hair with some tender, loving care, today I am going to give you some homemade shampoo which are most natural and would help in taking care of hair. These shampoos are very easy to prepare and can be used multiple times in a week. First, Amla and Shikakai shampoo. Amla or gooseberry contains antioxidants which helps to repair damaged hair and cells. It also helps in preventing hair loss. Shikakai has vitamin C which is beneficial for your hair. It also strengthens and conditions your hair. Amla and Shikakai come in two forms, as a dried fruit or in powdered form. Soak 6 to 7 pieces of Shikakai and a few Amla pods in water overnight. Heat the mixture in the morning and turn the heat off just when it begins to boil. Allow the mixture to cool and blend it. Strain the mixture and here is your shampoo ready. Use this as a shampoo. Arita or soap nut shampoo. Rita is also called as soap nuts. Contains saponin, a natural cleansing agent. If used as a shampoo, it thoroughly cleans your scalp and hair and also has a mild, refreshing scent. It is filled with iron and has antioxidants which play an important role in hair growth. It suits all hair types and prevents split ends. It also stops hair fall and dandruff. Tie a bundle of 3 to 4 soap nuts in a muslin cloth. Keep this in a pan with water and bring it to boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Add half cup of water and simmer for more 10 minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to cool. Squeeze the bundle of soap nuts until the soapy suds come out. Rinse the bundle with little water and squeeze again. Massage your soapy solution onto your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then rinse well. This is a good shampoo and a body wash for those who suffer from eczema and psoriasis. The third natural hair cleanser is simply a rice water. Rice water has been used as a hair treatment for centuries by women who are in the far eastern countries. Rice water is the starchy water that remains after soaking or cooking rice. This contains mineral, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Soaking is the quickest way to make a rice water. Take 1 cup of uncooked rice and after rinsing it, soak it into 2 cups of water. Let it soak for a few hours or overnight. Strain the rice water and massage it into your scalp and hair and leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Another way to make rice water is by boiling the rice. Take 1 cup rice and boil it with 3 cups of water. After the rice has cooked, strain the leftover water and then allow it to cool. Massage it into your scalp and hair and leave it for 30 minutes. Then rinse with water. Rice water can also be used as a hair rinse. It can be used either before shampooing or after shampooing with the natural shampoos mentioned earlier. Just remember to rinse your hair thoroughly well after applying rice water. All these shampoos can be easily made fresh as and when required by a person. You must also be mindful of your lifestyle if you are concerned about your hair. Eat a balanced diet and do not skip any meal because fasting deprives body of essential nutrients and leads to poor quality of hair. Learn and practice yoga asanas to improve blood circulation to your head region. Meditation and pranayama helps to keep your mind and body healthy and in balance. So take charge of yourself, take care of yourself and even your hair. Namaskar.